Fine. Can you tell me what I need to do first? Team,
Model class should be written.
first we need to create a
Model class.
model class. So for that, what we need to do? We go here, create under a models, create a one more folder. What is that folder name?
Product.
Product models, right? And in this product models, I have to create a class. I have to create a class with product model, right?
Yeah.
Product model is created.
Yes.
Now remove, go here, try to use public. Now, first thing is public GUID ID get set. What is the next thing?
Product name.
Public
Name.
string product.
Name.
Next, public product description. Always to have a best practice not to have a compile error warnings, so that you have to use like this. Okay. Now what is the next thing?
Product category.
Public brand model. I say brand. Am I correct? I need a brand or not?
Yes.
Yes.
So I don't want this. I click quick action refactor. You see, you got a brand model. Now, similar way, for a particular brand, you need to have public type model. Type model type get set. Okay. Now I got a brand, I got a type. So if I have a brand, do I need to have a null? Am I right or wrong? We need to have null because this is an object.
Right.
Okay. I got an ID, I got a product name, I got a product description, I got a brand, I got a type. Now, here, I need to have a string image file path. Do I need to store the image file path?
Yes.
Okay. And then public int product cost. Product cost. Do you need a product cost?
Yes.
And then public int GST get set. Right? Then finally, what I want?
Price.
Total cost. So you need to calculate a product total cost, right?
Yes.
Public int product total cost. Okay. Got the point or not? Say sir. You have an ID, you have a product name, you have a product description, you have a brand, you have a type, you have an image file path, you have a product cost, you have a GST, you will have a product total cost. Anything else you required, ma?
Sir, if this product cost is including GST like that, for that we need.
Product cost is if the user is giving 5,000 rupees, you have to create a total cost.
Okay.
And GST can be based on the product. You can dynamically define the product, GST.
Product size is also required.
Not required. Product, number of items of product will be in order module, not in while creating the product, you don't need, right? Okay. So now go back here, save, and then once I create a model, do I need to create a product repository or not? Do I need to create a product repository?
Yes.
Yes.
So how do I need to create a product repository? Can anyone tell me?
Create the repository class.
Create a,
Repository class.
what is the repository class name? Can anyone tell me?
Product.
Product model repository.
Class,
Product repository.
product,
Product repository.
product, repository. Right? I created a product repository. Now what I need to do? In this product repository, what I need to do first?
DB context. We need to.
We need to use
DB context.
DB
To be found.
context. Okay. So when you use a DB context, automatically Microsoft.Entity Framework comes into picture. Now, will my DB context is abstract class or a normal class?
Abstract class.
Abstract class. For that, you will have a override method
Yes.
Yes.
Model.
on model creating builder, right? Now, do I need to define your table name in the database?
Yes.
Do we need to define table name in the database? Say yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So what do you need to do?
DB.
Come again.
We need
Model
to add
builder
those.
Model builder.
dot DB set. What do you need to do?
We need to add here. Yes.
Tell me the name. What I
DB
need to
set?
do? It's not,
Entity.
huh?
Entity is
Entity.
required.
Of,
Entity and name of the tables.
okay,
Yes.
dot to
Table.
table of, what is that? Products, right?
Yes.
You created a model builder?
Yes.
Say yes or no? Nathan, Bora,
Yeah.
Mahesh, everyone. And then what you need to do? You need to create a hash key. Tell me what is the hash key you need to create? How to create an hash key? Come on, Ra. Come on, guys. How you have to do? Here. What do you need to write? Entity lambda
So why we need this as
to make the ID as primary. You see here.
okay. Okay.
You want to do this or not? Product model entity, and you are making this, right? So what do you need to do? Entity dot
That's
hash key. So what do you need to do? E
column name.
lambda e dot. What is the
ID.
parameter?
ID.
ID. Comma. E dot ID. Am I right?
Yeah.
What next you need to do? Nobody is speaking. Please tell me what I need to do next.
This is link you created. You're writing.
Yeah. Entity dot
Okay. Other attributes also.
property of the dot what name? Product name
Correct.
dot null. Sorry. How I have to do dot is required. Is it mandatory? Will this is mandatory or not?
Yes, it's primary key, so it's mandatory.
It's mandate. Right? Now what this guy is saying, this guy is expecting a one more curly brace. Why? Okay, because of this. Okay, fine. Now come down. Same way for entity dot property e lambda of e dot description dot is required. Okay, and then what is the other models we have created? We created a brand model, right? Do I
Brand.
need to pass a brand ID? No, that is not. Do I need to pass only the brand ID, right? In the table, you should not pass the brand model object. So what you need to do? You should have GUID here and say brand ID. Am I right? Here you say GUID dot empty. And same way in the product model type, you should have GUID and come here, you have to use ID.
Right.
Here you have to say GUID dot
Empty.
empty. Here, now go back. Do I need to create a reference key for the product model with the GUID?
Yes.
This is your
Yes.
primary key. Brand ID is your primary key. For that, you have to refer a foreign key, right? That I will teach you tomorrow. Right now, I just make it as null. It should not be null. So how you are going to do? Entity dot property e lambda e dot brand ID
Brand.
is required. Entity dot property e dot type ID dot is required. I'm ensuring everything is mandate. And then finally, entity dot without an image name, will you able to store the data?
No.
So you have to make image file path is required. Okay, just copy, just change the field names alone. So what is the field name? Next file name. What is the field name here?
Cost.
Hmm?
Cost.
What is the field name you required here?
Description. GST.
What is the field name is required?
Total.
Got it? You got all the required fields?
Hash key in the sense it is auto-generated ID.
Yes. Hash key is nothing but a primary key. Hash key is nothing but a primary key. It will create a primary key for the ID field.
Okay. Now it will get created table, right?
Yeah. While creating the table, this ID will become a primary key. I will show you. Okay.
Okay.
Now, once you've done that, do you need to load data for this entity? I created a table. I created a product. Now, do I need to load a data?
Yes.
Model builder. I'm just building a lot of other things. Dot entity product model dot has better to take from the brand repository. Yeah, correct only. Model dot has row as sometimes as data. Okay. Now what do you need to do here? New of product model. Am I correct? I'm right now creating only one product. Okay. I'm not going to create so many products. So ID is equal to GU ID equal to GUID dot new GUID.
Oh, sir, this ID we need to give, right, currently. But I don't want to give and it should be auto-generated. Then how it will be?
The GUID cannot be auto-generated. You have to generate from your front end and you have to pass it. Mr. Rajit,
Okay.
GUID always will be generated from here. From your front end, you have to generate the GUID. In microservices, most of the projects will use GUID. They won't go for a primary key foreign key relationship.
Okay.
It's a best practice because if you go with the communicating from SQL DB to MongoDB, MongoDB to Redis cache, this integer values may mismatch. Okay, so that is the reason in microservice people always use GUID.
Okay.
Got the point?
Yeah, got it.
Fine. So come here, name of the product. What product I can say? I can say Reliance Mobile. Okay, comma, description. I can say, I copy this Reliance Mobile description. And then what I need to add? What is the next thing? Do we need a brand ID, right? For the Reliance. So what is the brand ID we have? Brand ID we have to create, right? So just say here, okay. Now go to SQL Server, which we created already a brand. Come down a database, come down batch 2, go to table. You see there is a brand table. Select rows. Samsung Mobile, copy this. Better to have this brand ID. Okay. It is not a string. So what I need to do?
You need to
Convert.
use not like
Come again?
GUID.new ID you need to, and then in the bracket we need to give, I think.
Who said that? No, dot. You are talking like this. We used to
Yeah,
have GUID dot parse.
yeah.
Okay. Now I can get a parsing of brand ID. Now I need to have a type ID. So type ID, do I need to use GUID dot parse a string? Okay. Now go back to your table. Take a type. I got a mobile. Copy this. Paste here. And simply I'm go here. I go change into Samsung. And I also changing here Samsung. Okay. You got the seeding the data. And then I say cost equal to some 15,000. GST equal to 18. Total cost equal to how much it is? $17,700. Comma image file path. I say Samsung.jpg. Time being, I'm storing the image name. Now, did I created a product with the data? Yes, sir. Everyone.
Yeah.
Durga, Prasanna Kumar, Ajit, Hari, Prashant, Sachin, everyone. Now, what I'm planning to do I need to have a constructor for injecting the product repository object? Do I need a constructor for the repository?
Yes. Yeah.
Before that, do I need to create object in my middleware for the product repository? How do I create object? Go down under a e-project setup. What I will do in the program.cs file, come down. You see there is a DB context here. A builder dot service dot add DB product repository options lambda options dot use SQL underscore connection string. Clear? This repository object is required in your product repository of the constructor here, CTOR. So here, DB context options of what repository? Product repository. I say DB context colon base of DB context. Is it correct? This is correct. I am creating object for the product repository. I'm injecting this object for DB to create. Now, finally, what I want to do, public DB set product model products Okay, so
Sir, one
whenever you
question I
want,
have here regarding that base of DB context. Why we need that, sir?
see, this DB context internally is going to talk out to the database. Okay, for that you need to pass the connection string. DB context is holding the object of connection string. That connection string you are passing. Okay, Ajit.
Okay.
See, if you are not passing a DB context with the connection string, this particular repository cannot understand which SQL server I need to hit. Okay.
Okay.
So to hit the database with the SQL server, you should have DB context. Now go back here. What is the database name we are having? Catalog underscore batch 111002. Now go back, go to your configuration because yesterday we changed it, right? We added initial catalog is different. So remove the Docker. Durga, are you playing? Maniganda. Durga Maniganda. Okay. Now you see. Can you make it control Z? Durga. Am I audible, guys?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
You see there is a blue dots.
Yeah, I think yes, Durga started this.
Okay. Now, once you change the DB name, I build the repository. Now what I need to do? Do I need to run the migration? Do I need to run a migration or not?
Yes.
Right click,
Yes.
rebuild. Category repository reference is not there. Okay, do one thing, just change solution. And then build a solution. What is this? Oh, shit. Done. Now go to Package Manager console. Select your catalog repository, CLS. What is the package you need to create, ma? Can anyone tell me? Add hyphen migration products. Enter. It will not work. Why? Can anyone tell me? You need to specify the actual context. So what is your actual context? Your actual context is product repository. So what you need to do? Add migration hyphen context product repository. Enter. What will happen? A migration file will be created. See, a migration file created in the entity framework. Table name is product. Nullable is everything is false. Unique identifier so that it will become a primary key. All the columns with the primary key of PK product X of ID and then you are inserting the everything, object of new ID, product, everything. And finally, you just go and build. Because once the migration file is created, you have to build it. Once you build that, what is the next step you have to do? Update hyphen update hyphen database, okay, hyphen contact, no, database products. This is the products you have to update hyphen context product. You have to tell the product repository name, product repository. When you click enter, you see there is a table will create, and then the data will be inserted into the table. Now you see here, table is created. Yes or no, everyone?
Yes.
Hari, the new guy.
Yes.
Entity
Yes.
framework, insertion happen of the brand and brand ID of the everything, cost and everything is been added. Now, if you go to the table, refresh your tables, you see I got a product. Table is created.
Yes.
Ajit, Akhil. Akhil
Yes.
is very slow today. What happened? Akhil, what happened? Now you see there is a products. Select. You see the data what I created. It is available here or not? A new ID is created of GUID, a brand ID, temp ID, file path, product cost, GST, total cost. Everything is created.
Yes.
Say yes or no.
Yes.
Yes.
Table is created. Now I complete my migration. Then what is my next step? What is my next step?
View.
Huh? To call this repository, do I need to create a service?
Yes.
Do I need to create a service or not?
Yes.
For that, you go to here in the service contract, new item, create an interface saying that IP product service. I'm not doing anything. I'm simply using iProduct service interface, public. I'm going to here. I say remove sort teasing here. List of product model get products. Do I need to implement this iProduct service in the service class or not? Here, right click, add a class. Okay, I'm creating a class. What I need to do here? What I need to do here, ma?
Product service class. Product service.
Product service class. Now, when I use this product service class, do I need to implement iProduct service?
Yes.
So what I will do? iProduct service, right click, quick action, implement interface. Now to call the repository, do we need a repository object of the class? Do we need an object?
Yes. Yes.
What do you need to do? In the constructor,
For the dependency, here we use the dependency concept.
so what I need to do here?
You need to catch those dependencies. Yes.
Okay.
Create the variable as well.
Quick action. Generate variable with read-only field. Now I got the read-only field.
Yes.
Now here, what I need to do? List product model equal to this dot underscore product repository dot products dot to list. Am I correct? I got a product list. Now what I want to do? Return product model.
Product
So
model.
method is implemented.
Yes.
Method is implemented or not?
Yes. Yes.
Everyone. Ajit, Gora Bhargav, Irshad Sheikh, Mahesh, Nazir, Nitin Borse, Prashant R, Sachin. Say yes or no? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Why you guys are not speaking?
Yes,
What
sir.
happened? Mahesh, Nitin,
Yes, sir.
why you guys are not speaking? Unmute yourself. Now, what do you need to do? Do we need a controller for this? Do we need a controller for this? To call the method in
Yes.
controller, you need to create a controller first, right?
Yes.
What is the controller
Yes.
name?
Product control.
Then talk, na. We'll go here.
Yes. Sir, in product service.
Okay.
So
Who
we
is
are
that?
using, sir, Mahesh, sir. Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Can you come in once product service, sir? Product service page.
Tell me.
So here in this method, we are getting for one data, we are able to use DB call, right? To list method. So is it a good practice if we have so many records? So that time async await is better, or to list we can go with that.
To list you can get it. Okay, async await is different. This is different. Okay, when you use API calls, that time you have to go for async await.
Okay.
Okay, for UI you can use like this.
Okay. With to list we can go for that.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now go here. Controller. Click add. You say here, what is your controller name? Product. I created a product. Now I say root. Always product will be my first priority so that I can use here. Now if I use this, go to your brand controller. You see I'm also using list brand. You go to type. You see I'm using this. So what I need to do? I say list type. Understand, ma? So when I use a list brand, your method also should be list type. List type. When your method action method is list type, your view also will be your list type, right? This is not index. So what do you need to do? You need to rename list type.cshtml. Okay. Now, once I created a brand and everything, it will work. Now go back. There is a one thing you need to do. In the shared under layout, you need to create a menu, right? For the neighbor, you have to create a menu. Here, you are saying index. So basically, it will be list type. Now, you need to add a one more menu item here. Okay, here you have to say my controller is product. My controller is product. My type is, list type is index. Always to have a index here. Okay, and then you say products module. Okay, my linking is happened. Now come to your product controller. I have an index, so that right click, add view, razor empty. Click on add. So index is created. Now go back, simply do one thing. Don't type everything. Just open this one. Okay, copy the entire stuff as it is, paste in the here. Only thing you are going to change here is instead of I enumerable here, first you need to change product model. And then you are going to change product. Manikanda.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, product model. And then you say here, list of products. And the create new brand, instead you can say, as of now, create product. Nothing, no need to change anything. Here you say, product ID, product name, okay, home, so what you can show here, ma? Can anyone tell me what you can show? Hello?
Product description, product brand,
Product
description,
description. Okay. And then what we can have?
GST,
Brand name.
cost name,
And then what you need to have?
type product name, cost,
Type name. And then what you need to have?
product cost, product cost,
Cost alone. And then
GST.
you will have, don't use GST, simply use total cost. Total cost. Okay. Now come down. If the model count is 0, product data is empty. Am I right?
Yeah.
Now come down here. What you need to do? Instead of brand, you say take a product because it's a meaningful name. Now you do here product dot
ID.
come up. Copy, paste, 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 paste. So here what you need to do?
Product name.
Dot
Product
name
Cost. Cost.
Product items.
Yes.
Cost.
Total cost.
Correct?
Yes.
Fine. Now what do you need to do here?
Change to product.
Okay?
Okay.
Save all.
Controller.
Go to
Brand.
your product controller. What do you need to
Product
do?
control.
You need to inject the product service object, right? First, you need to create a product service object. Do I need to create a product service object?
Yes.
So in the
Yes, sir.
program.cs file, where is my program.cs file? It is not there. Just go here. In the program.cs file, come down, you copy the entire stuff. Okay? Paste. iProduct product service. Right? Did I create an object? Did I create an object or not? Say yes or no. Now, in the product controller, do I need to inject that object here? I say iProduct service, product service, copy, paste equal to paste underscore, right click, quick action, generate read-only field. Now I got the injection of iProduct service, and here list product model equal to this part underscore product service dot get products. And then this product model variable, I'm going to pass to my view. Make sense? Now,
Yes.
save it, clean solution. Build the project. Now try to run the project. You got the list of products, ma? Say yes or no?
Yes.
Everybody.
Yes.
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 Is it perfect or wrong? Hmm?
Yeah, it's
Perfect, sir.
Do I need a
here.
product ID?
No, product ID is not required here.
Product ID?
No need to display actually the product ID, so it's in huge format.
Yeah.
Yeah, that we
Only
can do.
displaying serial number.
Yeah, so go to the index.cs HTML. You can remove this.
We can add the serial number. Sir. No.
Got it?
But serial number is required. No?
Which is serial number?
Yes,
Serial number, why
it's
do you
correct.
need it?
How many items is there? User
That is not
understand.
that and all not required. As of now, you can use it. We are doing it just development, right? You can't force it. Okay.
How many items is there? That's why adding serial number.
That we can do later point of time. Tomorrow I will.
Okay. I am normally said. Okay.
Okay. Okay. The number of items in a product, we can have some label and all those things. Don't worry about it. So right now you got a Samsung mobile description. Now, if you look into the type name and brand name, you are having an ID, but it should display the value, right? Name. Yes or no?
Yes.
Mm, there
So
we need
this
to change.
one we will fix it tomorrow. We are already running short of time. So we will fix this one and edit update we'll do by tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
Everybody
Yeah.
clear? Prasanna, Ajit,
Yes, sir.
Ajit Sakre, Mahesh,
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Mahesh, K. Mahesh.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, fine. Haricharan, if you are
Yeah,
interested, one
yeah.
second. If you are interested, you can join this batch.